Hi, hello, I'm Bon. In this video, I need to show you the Fujitsu single speed 24,000 BTU and 30,000 BTU regarding the thermistor reading. Okay, in this single speed, got three different reading: 4K, 8K, and 40K. Okay, later I will show you the location, thermistor location, and thermistor number. Okay. Okay, the thermistor number one is a CN64 blue color. Blue color is a compressor thermistor. See, number two is CN62. It's white color. White color is an outdoor temperature thermistor. Okay, number three is a CN63. There's a yellow color. It's discharge pipe temperature sensor. Okay, number four is a CN61. CN61 is pipe and discharge thermistor temperature sensor. This is Fujitsu single speed. Okay, today we need to check the thermistor reading. Okay, this is single speed. Okay, yellow color is discharge pipe. Okay, discharge pipe, yellow color. Okay, blue color. Blue color is compressor. Okay, this one. White color is outdoor thermistor. Red color is pipe and discharge. Okay, yellow discharge pipe temperature 41 kilo ohm. Okay, white color clip 8 kilo ohm. Okay, white color clip 8 kilo ohm. The yellow, the discharge pipe, discharge pipe 41 kilo ohm. Okay, yellow discharge pipe. The marking is CN61. Sorry, CN61. Pipe and discharge. Actually, it is a pipe thermistor. 4 kilo ohm. Okay. Compressor thermistor. Okay. Pipe thermistor. This is pipe thermistor. Okay. And this is an outdoor thermistor. This is outdoor thermistor. Discharge thermistor.